Hi folks, Van again here at Dr. Nimeh's office. Today I got to tell you about a personal story. So before I came to work for Dr. Nimeh, it was a never-ending cycle of problems with multiple events at night, going to the bathroom and embarrassing spotting because I didn't finish completely emptying my bladder, which brings me to my story. What I want to tell you is it was a nightmare to have to deal with these things. It was embarrassing. It was tough to deal with. I wasn't getting 8 hours of sleep. I wasn't even getting 5 hours uninterrupted sleep. Just happened to run across Dr. Nimeh at a trade show here in Fairbanks, and Dr. Nimeh invited me over to his booth. I was working for another company, and we got to talking. He made me take this first survey. It's called the IPSS. And sure enough, when I got my aggregate score back, it was in the high 20s, low 30s. So literally my life was miserable when it came to my urinary function. So Dr. Nimeh very kindly said, you should come in and we should examine you for BPH. Now, I knew what BPH was. I didn't realize how serious it was for me. So I came in, we did the workup, and sure enough, my BPH levels were off the charts when it came to how it was affecting my life. So I had a little procedure which Dr. Nimeh said would be perfect for me. And it was called the Urolift. And the Urolift gave me the things that were missing in my life. And that was the Urolift, which allows Dr. Nimeh to place some spans through my urethra to both lobes of the prostate, opening up the urethra so that I could function normally once again. I recommend this to anybody who is dealing with these problems. The symptoms don't miraculously go away, but they are diminished significantly. I can sleep. I can go out at night. I don't have to worry about spotting in my pants. All's good in my life, and it could be for you as well.